In 1993, Yves Deacon was just a 19-year-old finishing up high school. His dad had a BMW M5 E28 at the time that was practically still new, which he lent to Yves to drive to school. As any 19-year-old would do, Yves wanted to show off the BMW to his friends. He grabbed a few buddies and went snow drifting during his lunch break. With typical youth enthusiasm, they lowered all the windows and started drifting, getting snow all over the interior. Let's just say that was the end of Yves driving that magnificent car that year. It might have been a temporary roadblock with his dad's M5, but Yves' love for BMWs was already in full swing and only about to get bigger. Today, Yves is the owner of Munich Icons, a BMW restoration company in Newport, Belgium, that his dad started in the 70s. Yves became the owner in the late 90s, and with a love for BMWs as strong as the one Yves has, it wasn't much of a decision for him when a friend called him up recently trying to offload an E21 320 project car. The answer was an emphatic yes. The project also meant restoring an M20B30 BMW engine, and we're going to give you all the details in this episode of Engine of the Week.
This video is sponsored by Pengrade, Precision Performance Pengrade, always the original green oil. And by L-Ring, leading technology, leading service.
Hey, Greg Jones for Engine Builder, and today we're talking about the details of an M20B30 BMW engine in an E21 BMW restoration project done by Munich Icons in Belgium. When Yves Deacon first laid eyes on the E21, he knew this project would become the official Munich Icons demonstrator. To make it look the part, Munich Icons dismantled the vehicle and started rebuilding. The shop began by eliminating the small rust spots and repainted the car's body back to its original Polaris silver color. However, Munich Icons wanted this car to have more. That meant doing an engine upgrade on this classic BMW. To make it a conversation piece, the shop went ahead and did a replacement of the 2.7-liter stroker M20 engine with a flowed head that pushes out 200 horsepower. The engine was built using an M20B25 block as a starting point. The shop added an 88mm forged stroker crankshaft, a set of 84.5mm CP turbo pistons with an 8.5:1 compression ratio, a set of 135mm forged H-beam rods, ARP fasteners, a block girdle, KS bearings, an M21 oil pump, a Stage 3 Munich Icons big valve head, a Z45T cam, forged KM rockers, a Pure Performance factory turbo manifold, a Borg-Warner S257 turbo with a 46mm precision wastegate, 890cc injectors, a Link ECU management system, and a 3-inch custom exhaust. With all of these upgrades, the 2,500-pound BMW E21 320i now had an M20B30 engine that cranked out 600 horsepower and 550 pound-feet of torque on just regular pump gas. In addition to the quality engine work and silver paint job this E21 got, Munich Icons also added a set of BC Racing coilovers with specific spring rates and poly bushes all around for a smooth and sporty ride. The shop switched the standard 5-speed for a 6-speed manual transmission and updated the car's interior with exotic materials including embossed red leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum. With the restoration all wrapped up, this BMW E21 is poised to be Munich Icons' track toy. And with a 600 horsepower M20B30 engine under the hood, that certainly won't be a problem. Well, that does it for this episode of Engine of the Week. A special thanks to our sponsors L-Ring and Pengrade Motor Oil. And remember, if you have an engine that you'd like to see featured, please email me at gjones@babcox.com. See you next time.